If you're a trader just like me, looking to make consistent profits, whether in Forex, crypto, or any other asset class, this is your call to action. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what must be done in order to achieve your goal of consistent profitability. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys all the red flags that you must pay attention to and what to include in your daily routines in order to achieve your goal faster and much effectively. So make sure you watch this video till the end, like and subscribe to also help other people get access to this video. The first thing you need to do is to believe that you are the man. You are that guy, HIM, yes, you are that nigga. If you don't believe that it is possible for you to achieve this level or this goal that you have set for yourself, you will find it very, very difficult. These past few weeks, I have gone through a streak of losses. I have failed some challenges and I have blown some accounts. But this doesn't stop me from getting to my desired goal. What was my call to action? I had to review my trades, review myself, take a deep breath and see what was bringing me or drawing me back. I saw that the Telegram groups I was in were a source of distractions for me and my journey. I had to decide that these groups are now, they just have to go. I just have to let them go because they are doing more harm than good to me. So I quickly went to my Telegram app, searched all the groups I was in, and I left that group. This group, I was not just in them just to be taking signals. There were some that were benefiting me. I was learning from these groups. But then it dawned on me that there were more distractions in this group than there were more values. You have to evaluate yourself and your environment and cut off whatever is distracting you from your goal. Each distraction, each red flag deserves to be cut off. The moment you take this decision, the moment you start to get more clear, the moment things begin to make sense in your journey and in your life, I decided to exit all these groups so that I'll be able to have a tunnel vision in my journey. Not just that, in the trades I reviewed, I saw that a particular pair I was trading was what made me lose most of my accounts and lose most of it took me to a drawdown level that made it difficult for me to get out from. That was trading gold. I realized that initially I was never meant to be trading that pair, but because of the groups I was in, I found myself taking trades on that pair. I decided to cut that pair off. I removed it from my watch list and I don't plan to trade it for the subsequent time being. Why am I telling you guys all this? You have to review yourself, review your trades, review your trading plan, and know that distraction that is stopping you from getting to your goal faster. You have to take charge of your journey and be able to cut off any distractions. The more you keep snoozing, the more you will lose. That's just how it is. Another thing I want to talk about is the fact that strategy is not the problem, guys. I am the problem. You are the problem. You have to tell yourself the truth. In the recent time, I found myself analyzing trades that turned out to be winners, but I had nothing to show for it. I had no results to show for it. How do I find myself analyzing the trade, getting the perfect place to enter that trade, entering that trade, and exiting before price reaches my target? Sometimes exiting even at a loss, just to watch price get to my initial target. The problem is not your strategy. The problem is not my strategy. I am the problem. And I have accepted to work on myself to be able to see how best I can program myself to believe in my strategy and just execute and accept the losses. You have to know that it goes deeper than just trading. It is your mindset. You won't know what might be stopping you from achieving that goal of profitability. You would think that it is just about your strategy and you have the capital to keep trying your luck. But you can keep going in circles for years without seeing any results. That's just the reality of this industry. So the moment you decide to take charge and cut off any distractions, you take charge to reprogram your mind to believe that you are capable of achieving this set goal that you have set for yourself. That is where you start to see real progress. Why I'm saying that you exit all the Telegram groups that you're in is just so you can be able to find yourself. You can be able to find yourself in the trading space. Navigate and know your flaws, know your fuck-ups, know your strengths, and be able to do better things that enhance your progress in this journey. You can keep telling yourself that you are learning from these groups, you are benefiting, and you are seeing results, you're seeing profits. But tell yourself the truth. The level that you want to get to, the millions that you want to make, is it taking signals that will get you to that goal? You have to be honest and tell yourself the truth, and start making decisions that will get you closer to your goals. When you started learning how to trade, there was this fire that was in you, there was passion in you. You were giving it all you had, but now you're finding yourself to be relaxed. What changed? At that point when you were giving it all you had, you were not seeing any results. There was no hope, but you kept going. Now when you're going deeper is when you're deciding to be relaxed. Why? You have to keep a day one mindset in this game. You have to be persistent and keep going. What matters is consistency. The longer you stay in this game, the more better your results will be in the long run. How am I able to work towards reprogramming my mind to achieve profitability? You can do that by listening to good audio books, by reading books, and by practicing what these books tell you. Why am I telling you guys all this? I want you to take from this what you did not know before tapping to play this video. When you saw this video, you thought you were going to meet somebody who has already achieved what he's going to talk about. But you're now going to find that I am also an aspiring trader trying to get profitable. But in my own mind, I am already profitable. I've made millions of dollars in this Forex market. I just have to bring it into reality. Whatever you put in your mind, all you have to do is bring it to life. That is my belief. And walk this path with me so that we can achieve greatness together. Reevaluate what you're practicing. If you keep practicing the wrong things, you will see the wrong results. People tell you that practice makes perfect, but that is not actually true. Practice makes permanent. And when you are able to reevaluate and be sure that you are practicing the right thing, that is when you begin to see positive results. Reevaluate your peers, reevaluate your strategy, cut off all the distractions, whether little or big, and you will see positive changes in your journey. Please do well to like and subscribe to this channel so that other people will be able to see this video, and you can boost my morale to keep posting more videos.